Welcome to yet another exciting presentation design. Today we are designing this infographic slide, so without wasting much time, let's jump right into it. Go to insect, go to shapes, and insert the shape with 24 wings. Adjust this yellow dot. Go back to insert, shapes, and insert a circle. Select both shapes, align them to the center, and align to the middle. Go to merge shapes and choose union. Go back to insert, go to shapes, and insert another circle. Change its height and width to 6.7 centimeters. Select both shapes, align to the center, and align to the middle. Go to merge shapes, and this time around choose intersect. Insert another circle again, and change its height and width to 5.14 centimeters. Select both shapes, go to align to center, and align to middle. Select the circle, change its shape fill to white. Right click on the circle, go to format shape, under effects, choose shadow, go to presets, go to inner, and then apply an inner shadow. Adjust its blur to 28 and write in your text. Change the shape, the color of the shape. Duplicate this shape. Adjust the size of the second shape. Change its color as well. Repeat this same process and make as many shapes as you like. Go to insert and insert a text box. Type in the text for each step. For every step you type the text, select the text, go to the theme color, pick the eyedropper, and then pick the color that matches the year. Repeat this process for all the gears. After that, you adjust or align the text. Duplicate the slide, go back to the first slide and drag all the text box to the outside. Rotate every gear to an angle of 180 degrees. Repeat this process for all the gears. Select the second slide, go to transitions and apply morph transition. Decrease the duration to 1.5, apply to all, and there our design is ready. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, hit the notification bell, and be a part of our family. Thank you very much once again.